Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on two-point formula. This video will show how to find the equation of a line when we are given 2 points that lie on the line. The two-point formula is as follows. It's y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now it might look a bit complicated, however, the two given points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. So you'll have each of those points. So you'll have the x coordinate and the y coordinate for this point, and you'll have the x coordinate and the y coordinate for that point. The y and the x, they will appear in the equation at the end. So that will actually give us the equation for the particular line. Let's have a look at this example which will illustrate very clearly how to use this formula. Find the equation of a line passing through 2, 3 and 4, 7. Now the important thing is to set up each of these 2 points and give them the values that are in this formula. So x1, y1 can be 2, 3. Okay, so there's the 2, 3, and that's x1, y1. x2, y2 can be 4, 7, which is that point there. So, substituting into the formula we have, remember it was y minus y1 over x minus x1. Now remember x1, y1 is 2, 3, so the x1 is 2 and the y1 is 3. And that's why we get y minus 3 over x minus 2. So that's the left-hand side. Now this side here, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 7 and y1 is 3. So it's 7 minus 3 over x2 minus x1. Now x2 is 4. And x1 is 2, so it's over 4 minus 2. So now we've done our substitution, and now we'll just do the simplification, which will give us the equation. So we've got y minus 3 over x minus 2 is 4 over 2. Of course, that simplifies to 4 over 2, which simplifies to 2. Now, if we remember our rules for solving simple equations, we multiply each side by x minus 2. So we want to remove this denominator here, so we multiply both sides by x minus 2. When we do that, on the left hand side we have y minus 3, and on the right hand side we have 2 outside of x minus 2. We remove the grouping symbols to end up with that equation there. We add 3 to both sides to give us this equation, and the final equation is y equals 2x minus 1. So this is the equation here, that's the answer. And 2, 3 and 4, 7, okay, they satisfy this equation. So if you substitute 2, 3 into that equation, it will work. And if you substitute 4, 7 into that equation, it will also work. So this video has introduced us to the two-point formula, and that allows us to find the equation of a line that passes through 2 given points.